Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at one of my favorite beach resorts in all of Mexico, Secrets Akumal Resort and Spa. And we have the treat of being in the top room in the entire resort. This is your preferred club presidential suite. Now this room is all about expansive space, an incredible balcony, and phenomenal views at one of the best beaches in all of Mexico. But let me show you what this space is all about. So let's head over to the front door. You can see it's an extra large double door here. They've got some beautiful art in the entryway, and you have a second half bath in here. It's always nice to have that extra redundancy. And then in addition to that, if you're hosting friends or family, maybe you're part of a larger group here, you can have them in here and they can utilize that and all of this space without going into your personal bedroom space. Now just to my left, you'll see a full bar. You've got your bar stools out here, and then back behind, you've got your Nespresso maker. Those Nespresso pods, they'll replenish those as often as you like. And then you've got some of the extra preferred club snacks as well. So you've got a ton of storage underneath here. And then follow me in. This does shut off, but this is a second service entry. So you can have deliveries through there. They, in fact, even have one of their signature Secrets boxes right here. So you can order from the room service menu. They'll deliver it there, and then you grab it whenever you're ready. I love that you don't have to worry about going to the door to do that. In here, you're also gonna have a sink and a full-size refrigerator. It's stocked as a mini bar, and you can have that replenished and stocked as you like as often as you want throughout your stay. So continuing on in, you have a large dining room table. Once again, if you have friends here at the resort, this is the perfect place. You can take advantage of that room service menu. You've got more storage back behind me, a really nice lamp right here, and then a large living room. You've got two chairs, you see the sofa, day bed. I love that they have all that extra color from the pillows. It's really nice because it reminds you when you're in Mexico, but it's not over the top. Finally, you have an extra large flat panel TV right here. You're gonna have a second one in the bedroom as well, and I love that you have two. Right here you have your writing desk. You've got several places to charge over in the corner. And I wanted to point out this tablet. So you can utilize this essentially to replace the resort guide. It's got information on the hotel, on the dining and drinks, spa, things along those lines. But what I generally use it for is for ordering room service. So you can order from there. They'll deliver it right into your Secrets box. And then you don't have to have any of that extra level of communication, just another level of luxury. In addition to that, because this is a preferred club room, you can order from the pillow menu as well. Now I'm headed into the Oceanfront master bedroom. Once again, you've got doors on either side, so you can close that off completely. You've got this huge king-size bed that looks directly out at one of the best ocean views in all of Mexico, Akumal Bay. Right next to your bed, you've got two US plugs right there. You also have a remote control, and they even have a second remote control because that's gonna control your television. It comes right up out of here. You press down the button, it's gonna pop up and you can watch TV, put it back down to take advantage of those amazing views. As we continue along, you've got a bench seat, extra hang-ups over there, another little seat to sit and get ready, and then you've got more plugs. And then I wanted to point out there is a fan. I love that they have great air conditioning and a fan in here, and the fan control is right here next to the bed. So now we're headed into this absolutely stunning master bathroom. I just wanted to point out that these do close to give you extra privacy. You've got a nice little seat right here in the middle, which is perfect for a dressing room. And right here, you're gonna have your first set of storage. You've got your safe right here. You've got storage up and down. You're also gonna have your iron and ironing board and scale over there in the corner. Continuing on to the other side, you've got more storage over here. You've got storage up and down. You're also gonna have your robe and your slippers. Now, I highly recommend that you take that robe and head over to the spa while you're staying here. It is a truly beautiful spa. And if you wanna see any of the spaces on the resort, we have a great resort tour where you can see every single one of them before you arrive. Continuing on in, you have the main part of the bathroom. And to tie in with the romance that they emphasize here at this beautiful resort, they've got this fantastic extra large jacuzzi soaking tub. And from that tub, you actually can see an incredible ocean view. They have this set up so that you have your two mirrors right here. When you're brushing your teeth or getting ready, you get to take advantage of this insane view. Now for privacy, there's also a button right here. They've got a sheer curtain that comes down, so you can still take advantage of the view, but nobody can see in from the outside. You see here you have a large double vanity. You have your magnifying backlit mirror right here. You've got extra towels and your hair dryer underneath, and you've got your first of the amenity kits. You're gonna get a second one that's even larger to go along with the fact that you're in a preferred club suite. Now continuing on to the left, you've got the toilet. You've got a nice little seating area here with the mirror so that you can get ready. There's also charging stations on either side. And then continuing into the extra large master bathroom. You have 2 large rainforest shower heads. You also have a shower wand. I like that you can adjust this up, and it's even big enough for me. So the reason you book this incredible suite is this amazing oceanfront view. You're looking at Akumal Bay. You see the unbelievably clear, beautiful blue water, several different colors of blue moving out towards the break. Before we headed into this space, I just wanted to mention that you do have screens on the doors here. I love that. You can open up the doors themselves and you get that amazing breeze that comes through. Right here, you've got a table and 2 chairs. Perfect place to take advantage of that room service menu. Maybe a cup of coffee in the morning, a cocktail in the evening, but I can't even take my eyes off that insane view. Over here, you've got a nice little lounge bed, and then, as you can see, just a ton of oceanfront space. Not only do you have that one incredible oceanfront balcony, you also have a huge resort-facing balcony as well where, well, you're gonna get these insane views from anywhere. You've got a really nice daybed here. It's kind of set up like a bunny pad on a yacht. And then continuing on, you have this massive pool. I think you could swim laps in here actually, but what this is a nice soaking pool. You can either have warm or cold water. Maybe you want that nice refreshing plunge. You got a little waterfall that comes down there and a huge bench seat all the way across. Continuing along, you've got this fantastic daybed and it's positioned once again to take in these incredible views. So one great thing about having these 2 separated balconies is that you can essentially utilize this balcony if you have friends over or visitors, maybe even for a cocktail, and then you also have your private space on the ocean front. So in addition to all the Preferred Club amenities we mentioned in the room, you're also going to have access to the Preferred Club Lounge. This is where they're going to take you and check you in. You'll bypass the regular check-in area. You can utilize it throughout your stay, and they have a great upgraded bar and, of course, concierge service. There's a few other Preferred Club amenities around, but of course, this particular suite only comes in the Preferred Club variety. When you're ready to book this amazing presidential suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know these spaces inside and out, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.